The video we are going to share today is not about any broker and is not about any kind of strategy or analysis. Today we will share some important issue. For example, forex trading can be done in several ways. These are including copy trading, own trading and signal trading. Now the question is, which one should you do? This issue is confusing for everyone, especially those who are not able to make a profit by trading on their own. They are thinking which one is best for them. So today we will talk about this confusion and we will remove all of your confusion. So let's start the video without wasting time. So hello viewers, I am an official member of FOREX BD. You are watching today's video 3 types of trading. Forex trading can be done in 3 ways. The first one is own trading, second one is copy trading and the last one is signal trading. Now those who are expert, they don't face this problem because they are able to trade by their own and bring profit in their pocket. And many are making extra profit by sharing signals using their own experience, or many have doing copy trading as a strategy provider. By doing this, they can earn from both sides because they are doing own trade and they also provide their service. So they are earning from both sides. But the question remains in the mind of some people, especially who are not expert and who can't make profit from forex. Due to their failure, they want to earn from forex by anyhow. Because of staying in forex, sometimes they saw signal trading and sometimes they saw copy trading, and they want to earn by following this system. So today we will talk which one is best for you and what should you do. First of all, people come to forex to learn forex and make profit. But when they see signal trading and copy trading, they want to do it. And then the plan to learn forex goes back a bit. Then you are able to earn money from forex by following signal trading or copy trading. Let me explain why I said that. Own trading means trading by yourself, as we learn different strategies to earn money by trading, to build ourselves as a skillful trader. We appreciate this idea because it's better not to depend on others. So we always respect those who want to develop themselves as a skillful trader. To do this, we have uploaded new media's video and shared all the strategies and analysis, also tips and tricks to make your career strong as a forex trader. So those who want to make themselves skillful, then they can follow this playlist. I can definitely say that you can learn something good if you follow this playlist. But never give up. Move forward with patience. Keep enough patience, keep your goal in front of you, then of course you can do something good. If you have such a goal, then we will tell you to make yourself skillful with hard work without looking the other way. If you don't need any profit at all, then you should get rid of all these income worries and make yourself skillful. You can learn forex as well as you can do copy trading and signal trading. But we are talking you will get less trading time by spending time on copy trading or signal trading. That means it will affect on your learning mindset. How? Suppose you are doing copy trading as well as learning own trading. So you turn on the laptop to practice, then open the platform and quickly you remember that you are doing copy trading. So you have to see the update. Then you open your copy trading ID to see update. If you see a profit, then you will come out happily. But if you ever see that there is not much profit today, or if you see loss, then your practice will over. You are upset because of your loss. Even if you do your practice, but you can't do practice properly because you are upset because of your loss, and you will not be concentrate properly on your practice. Only the matter of loss will come in your mind. Since you have not become an expert yet, you don't have much tendency to accept loss. Again, if you trade with the signal, then the chance of bad effect is a little higher. Why? Because here you have to take entry. Just you will get the signal from someone else, but you have to apply yourself. This is difficult for many because not everyone can apply. Moreover, sometimes you have to make some decision by yourself that not everyone can do. So you sit down to practice, then a signal came. You take the entry, then you will look in the chart to see loss or profit, then your practice will gone away. So it's not suitable while learning Forex. Now if you think you are mentally very strong, then you can do two things together. We are not suggesting this because if you come to learn Forex, we want that you just do Forex trading. Don't look at earning, because this will make you greedy. So if you come to Forex to learn Forex, then just learn Forex properly. Then after learning, you can do everything. You can do signal trading, or you can do copy trading as a skillful trader or strategy provider. But while practicing, if you can forget about your copy trading, then you can do both together. Suppose you set up your account for copy trading, then you have to forget that account. Just after a week or after 2 weeks, you can check your ID, but you have to practice properly if you come to Forex just to learning. So lastly, if you can maintain everything, then you can do both together. But if copy trading or signal trading affect your own trading, then we suggest you don't do copy trading or signal trading. Keep your first priority own trading, because depending on own self is much better. Lastly, it doesn't matter where you're creating your account. When you create your account, obviously don't forget to use the FOREX BD's link. If you use FOREX BD's link, then you will get numerous benefit. Your account will always be protected. You can use your account with zero spread. You can verify your account with just an ID card, and you can verify your account without deposit in payment gateway. So don't waste time. Do your account under FOREX BD's link. So before finishing the video, a humble request to you: if you like this video, don't forget to give us a like and leave a comment in the comment box. And if you want to know any topic about Forex, don't forget to comment in the comment box. FOREX BD obviously by your side 24 hours. So inspire us by liking and leave a comment for your desired information. And don't forget to subscribe so that we can stand by your side. And if we get your support, obviously we will help you whenever you need.